No. No, sir. Hey, you can't be doing that to Harvey. No, he can't roll over.
Yeah, did you drink my Mountain Dew? Did you drink my Mountain Dew? Let me smell your breath. Let me smell your breath. Oh, you Mountain Dew drinking bitch. Oh, good girl. Good girl.
Right now we're watching him go through a hinge test, which is used to test the, well, for free.
Alice!
Allison!
Girl!
Can you get up?
You got it! You got it, baby! You got it!
Waiting on treats.
Are you for real? Oh my gosh. Poor Tom.
I know, cruel.
Do you have a saggy cat? Does his skin flap just like that? Does he really like the snacks? Is he sort of a bit fat? Do you have to rub his tummy? Is his best friend named Gummy? Do you have a saggy cat?
Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy. Damn. Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy.
Bă, mie toată lumea îmi spune că sunt gras, dar eu nu sunt gras. Am mâncat și eu acum un pic de șorici de la Purcel.
Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy. Damn.
What do you want? You want food? I just fed you. You don't need any more. You're too big. Yeah, you little chunky boy.
You are beautiful. You are smart. You are funny. You are kind.
She loves being outside. Princess. Hi, honey.